detained at Gigiri police station for 30 days.
The investigation team still have inquiries about other firearms suspected to have been used, and we need to subject them to ballistic for forensic analysis. The CCTV footages that were retrieved, the same have not been subjected for analysis.
I will allow the application made by prosecution. The respondents will be detained in custody for the next 30 days, pending conclusion of investigations. And they'll be detained as follows. First respondent, you will be detained at Ruaraka police station. Second respondent, you will be detained at Pangani police station. The third respondent, you will be detained at Gigiri police station.